up, YouTube and all my babies? It's your girl Rich Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and tell another friend, tell your mama and them and their partners, because we're lady over here. And without further ado, we got a few things, y'all. Depending on when y'all see this, it's getting hotter. So yeah, I'm ordering shorts and stuff from Temu. I'm not trying to pay a whole bunch for a whole lot of nothing. So yeah, y'all, I had opened these because I was like real thirsty to see if I could fit them. Y'all, there's some, let me see, Hellstar shorts. I'm not familiar with the brand, but Temu got their version. I got these in the 3X. They're very stretchy. Very. I just thought these was cute. So I gotta wash these first. Y'all niece walking around. So if I'm moving a little slow, it's because I'm trying to make sure she ain't getting into nothing. Because usually I take her downstairs or put her in her cage, but I figured, why not? Just let her be out. I got this. I thought this was cute. I got this in a 3XL. Get out of there. Hey, get out of there, ma'am. Y'all, it's a Freaknik shirt. Freaknik 93. Once again, its own. Ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. So I thought this was cute. Y'all know our mamas was wearing their hair like this back in the day. So, just something real, you know, throw in a little graphic tee. Y'all know I love a good graphic tee. So definitely, if you're looking for something very inexpensive, go to Temu because they got cute graphic tees. These are also like some Hellstar dupe shorts from Temu. I got a few things that were free also. You know, when you play the little games, even though it takes forever to play those dumb games, but you get some free stuff. Okay, so this is one of the free items. I got this in a 3X. It has like all the or majority of the, you know, the greats of the comedy world. I know that's Dave Chappelle. Don't know who that is. Chris Tucker, Linnell, no, not Linnell, Adele, no, Robin Givens, one of her names, I don't know, Martin, Eddie Griffin, Bernie Mac, Cedric, and I forgot his name. But yeah, it's real cute. Real cute. And you know, stuff on Temu is very inexpensive. So I think this was one of my free items. Y'all know I love me some Scarface. Tony Montana. Very cute, see. Very cute. And if you do get the graphic tees, just always wash it inside out and probably let it hang dry or put it on low tumble so the stuff on the front won't melt. So, just a little word of advice. And they got like the old school Vibe, Source, Dunk magazine, front page t-shirts and stuff. So I got this one. I thought this was real cute. Foxy Brown and Lil' Kim on the Source magazine. Real cute. Real cute. Got this in the 3X. If y'all hear growling in the back, that's Sean niece. She playing with lamb chop. She throwing lamb chop around. This next shirt I got because it's real funny. It's more like if you know, you know. I'm not gonna go into detail who this person is. If you know, you know. I thought this was funny. If you know, you know. That's all I'm gonna say. Thought that was a fun little shirt. Let's see. I heard y'all need some background. She is so rough. That's all she do. She play like she a little boy. She do not be dainty and demure. Alright, girl, relax. Just gonna open all of these. Hold on, y'all. Let me. So y'all, these is like biker shorts. The high-waisted ones. Oh, this is nice stretchy quality. Cause y'all know when they get hot, you just want to throw something on. You don't want to do too much. Just throw on some biker shorts and a t-shirt, whether it's a graphic tee, plain tee. I got these in a 4X. So I think these was the cheaper ones. Cause you know they be having the same items, cheaper, higher. But yeah, I think these will fit over my rump. And they got that extra band so you don't have plumber's butt when you go to bend down and stuff. You know. So I got in those colors. And then I got some more in my cart because I'm going to get some more biker shorts. Everybody think they're cool to have. But you can't never have too many black ones. Black, navy, or gray biker shorts. Same with leggings. You can't never have too many leggings. They got leggings on there. Just make sure you always read the reviews. Because they'll let you know, hey, it's good quality. Or, hey, they're see-through. And stuff like that. So I want to say all of these were like 20 bucks. So what is this? 34. Yeah, 5-pack was 20 bucks. Yeah. And you ain't seeing through these. So yeah. Definitely check out Temu. And they got pockets on the side. You can't beat 5 pairs of biker shorts for 20 bucks. You typically buying, you know, 1 pair for 20 bucks. So definitely check on Temu. If you're plus size like myself, make sure whatever you're searching that you put plus size in the front or the end of whatever you're searching. So like those, I put plus size biker shorts, and then go from there. But yeah, y'all, hope y'all enjoyed this short little Temu haul. Hopefully y'all can go on there and find y'all some good stuff. And we're signing off. Lulu, say bye. Y'all, she ain't paying me no attention, but bye, y'all. See you on the next one.